In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to your bed in Minecraft without dying. So the first thing you want to do is press escape on your keyboard or the button at the top on mobile or start on your controller and head on over to settings. Now under world on the left side, you want to select game, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down until you get to world options. Now from here, you want to toggle on show coordinates. And when you go back to your game, you'll now see in the top left corner coordinates for your position. So what you want to do is write down those coordinates when you're close to your bed, so you'll be able to easily teleport to it at any point. So if I were to go away from my bed, let's go over here, and you open up the commands and chats on your game, what you want to do in this chat box at the bottom is type in /TP space at S, and then you want to type in those coordinates. So I believe it was 5 and then 50 and then -50 if I'm not mistaken. That doesn't sound right. But it's going to teleport you to exactly where you need to go. So it's simply just a matter of being able to remember those numbers, and it'll bring you right to your bed. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.